Not quite yet, Ray.
How about now?
Almost.
Now?
Now, Sunshine Ray, take it away.
Yes! Whoa! Sorry, Anna! Uh-oh. Sorry, Ma! Oh, my garden needs a good watering.
Yeah, but the rest of us don't. You be good for Anna while I'm at work, and I'll see you tonight. Love you.
Love you too.
Maybe prune your garden instead, huh, bub?
I don't like prunes.
Pruning your garden is different from prunes that you eat.
I don't like prunes much either.
My grandma back home taught me how to do this. If you prune your plants regularly, that will help them grow even bigger.
Bigger? I like this kind of prune.